Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Come see the car for yourself.